In this video we are going to answer this question: what could cause a shift of the PPC curve? But before we answer this question, we will revise what we already know. This is a PPC for guns and butter. This and any other PPC is drawn under these two assumptions. The first one, fixed amount of resources, and next one, fixed state of technology. Any point on this PPC shows an efficient situation where resources are fully used. This is called productive efficiency. Any point inside the curve shows an inefficient situation because there is some unemployment of resources. And finally, any point outside the curve is showing combination that is unattainable at the present. If the amount of resources available for production or the state of technology are not fixed, productive capacity will change and we will be able to produce more or less of the goods. So, for example, if we have more resources or better technology used in production, productive capacity will increase and the PPC will shift outwards. If it happens that we have less resources available or technology is damaged, let's say in some natural disaster, then productive capacity will decrease and we will be able to produce less of both goods. So the answer to our question is this: PPC will shift outwards if we have more resources to be used in production process, or we used better, more advanced technology. Or PPC will shift inwards if we have less resources available to be used in production or technology is damaged in some way. Changes in the amount of resources available for production or in the state of technology could affect both goods or could affect production of just one good, like it is shown on this graph, where we have more resources available for production or better technology used only in production of butter. So only one end of the curve will shift, showing greater productive capacity in production of butter, while production of guns is not affected. A shift of the PPC for the whole economy shows the economic growth and could also be used to show the trade-off between the current and future consumption. Each economy has to make choice between devoting more of its resources to production of consumer goods or using more resources for production of capital goods. Points A and B on this PPC show different choices made by two different countries. At the moment, country A is devoting more of its resources to production of consumer goods and less to production of capital goods. So at the moment, country A is enjoying higher consumption. Country B is devoting more of its resources to production of capital goods and less to production of consumer goods. However, they will be able to have higher economic growth in the future when they use these capital goods that they are producing now. In the future, productive capacity of their economy will increase and they will be able to produce more of both consumer and capital goods. At the present, they are sacrificing some consumption for the sake of higher consumption in the future.